Telling that time, quality, yeah. Telling that time, quality, yeah.
Hi there and welcome to Kapow Learning. And today is maths. It's all about telling the time and looking at quarter to the hour. This can sometimes be tricky, so let's do this. Here we have a clock. Now we're going to look at the hour first. So the hour is the red small hand, as we can see. So let's do this slowly. So that's the first hour, second hour, third hour, the fourth hour, the fifth hour, the sixth hour. Now, do we write 6 or 7? Right, so if we look at the hour hand, it has not gone past the 7. So you guessed it, we're going to write 6. And this is a common misconception or mistake. Okay, so we write 6 there. The hour hand, the small hand, has not passed the 7. So now, you've guessed it, we're going to look at the minutes. And the minutes is always the big hand, as you can see. In this one, it's blue. And we're going to stop when we get to the number 9, okay, where the minutes hand is. So let's count. So 1, that's 5 minutes. At the 2, that will be 10 minutes. At 3, that would be 15 minutes. At the 4, that would be 20 minutes. At the 5, that would be 25 minutes. At the 6, that would be 30 minutes. At 7, that would be 35 minutes. At the 8, that would be 40 minutes. And at the 9, that would be 45. Now, we've got the correct time, 6:45. But how do we say it? You should say quarter to 7, because the next hour is going to be 7. So we say quarter to 7. Let's try and do another telling the time, looking at quarter to. Here we have another one. You can pause this and see if you can remember and then play it. And I'll go through this carefully and slowly. Right, so we're going to look at the hour hands, and that is the small hand, which is red in my example. So let's count. So we've got to stop where that hand is. That's the first hour, the second hour, the third hour. Now, do we write 3 or 4? If we look at that hour hand, well, it's gone past the 3, but it's not gone past the 4. So we're going to write, you've guessed it, 3. Excellent. So now we're going to look at the minutes hands, okay? And we're going to stop when we get to the number 9, the hour 9. So let's count. So that would be 5 minutes. 2 would be 10 minutes. You've guessed it, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. We don't stop yet. 35 minutes, 40 minutes, and then 45 minutes. So now we've got 3:45. Can you remember how we would say this? You should say quarter to 4. Okay, 50 minutes till it is 4 o'clock. Let's have a look at one more now, telling the time, looking at quarter to. Here's another one. Again, pause and then press play to see if you got every section correct. We're going to look at the hour hand, and that is the small hand. So let's go. 1, it's past the 2, it's past the 3, it's past the 4, it's past the 5, it's past the 6, it's past the 7, it's past the 8 hour, it's past the 9 hour, it's past the 10 hour. Now, this is where a lot of children make mistakes or misconceptions. Okay, and if we draw a line there, has it gone past the 11? No. So we're going to write 10 in the hours. Okay, so now we've got 10 in the hours. So that is complete. Let's do the rest. You've guessed it. We're going to look at the minutes now. So we're going to stop when we get to that 9. And again, let's count up in 5s like we did before. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. We don't stop just yet. Now we will. So 10:45. We stop at the 45 minutes. And you've guessed it. What time do we call 10:45? You've guessed it. 11:45. Okay, so 10:45 is 11:45. That was telling the time, 1:45, and hopefully now you understand. Okay, so thank you for watching Kapow Learning.
Telling the time, 1:45, yeah. Telling the time, 1:45, yeah.